Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. So you guys, it is my birthday today, and yes, I am recording the same day because y'all, when I tell y'all, it was a great weekend, and so my birthday did fall on a weekday, but over the weekend, I did hang out with my family instead, and so usually I hang out with friends, but this time I wanted to spend more time with family and just appreciate what I have all around me because, y'all, getting fired, y'all, it was heartbroken, I can't even talk right now. But feel like when I say I getting fired was so, but I'm not, being bitter about it. But it's like, it is what it is. But I definitely want to appreciate the things that is around me. That is why working on this tracker series, the Chevy tracker that I've been working on, is just to really put my creativity out there and restore the car and make sure my mind is leveled because life be life, okay? Life be life, but God provides all thy needs, so we don't worry, okay? There's always a solution to the problem, so I do not worry. I'm at peace, and I know God handles everything above me. I put it all in God's hand, and God will place the idea on my mind, and whatever God placed on my mind, I go ahead and, execute it as soon as possible, okay? Even with the real estate, y'all. So with my real estate, it's so crazy. My mom be driving me so crazy. So I have my real estate exam scheduled, and y'all, I left my certificate. So how did I do my certificate, child? I don't know. But y'all, when I tell y'all, my mind be rubbing crazy sometimes, and I had left it right there. But it's all right. It's all right. But I rescheduled. I'm not going to tell y'all when I'm going to do it because I don't want to say to y'all too much, But I have been studying and stuff, so I am still making sure that I retain the information because I do not want to lose the information. All right. But yeah, it's a lot that has been going on, but I definitely want to keep up with my content. I want to keep up, especially when I do find an employer. Most likely my employer will know that I make content. Hopefully they are okay with me making content, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. But by the grace of God, I do hope that I find a good employer that will allow me to release my creativity because y'all, working on this car, it has allowed me to, like I say, share my creativity, and I'm doing a lot of things when it comes down to content creation. Y'all know how content creating is. So I'm technically like a street content creator. I don't have like a management team. So it's like I'm technically like a street content creator. I don't know what they would say, like I don't know, like an industry content creator. I don't know. It's so much of the game. But yeah, I am hoping that like when I discuss this with my employer, I'm going to let them know that I do make content, and if my nails is a requirement to be cut down, it's a lot to it, so we gonna say. But I like to be in my projects because it do keep my mind active. It keeps me floating. I like to float. So yeah, always find something to do that keeps your mind floating, like reading. I would say go for a walk, of course. Definitely walk. Walking daily is definitely important, y'all. Move your body. Go to the gym. If you can't even go to the gym, because I don't even go to the gym, I usually work out at home. And so I just get my sets, my weight sets, and then I work out like that. So I just make sure I move my body, eat well, because, y'all, taking care of your body is very important, all right? Take care of your temple, because the soul, it has to be vibrating high. So we have to make sure that the vessel is properly maintained so your soul can be vibrating high, okay? So yeah. But yeah, again, it is my birthday, so I am doing more of a birthday set for my nails. And so right now I am using the white acrylic powder, and this is my custom pink powder. When I say I love the custom pink powder, I should sell it. Y'all, it's too much. I ain't gonna, nah. I really want people to like sponsors and stuff like that to send me, like nail stuff so I can do more reviews, because y'all, I can't be always, well, sometimes I be buying, well, I do be buying my own stuff, because not all the time they send me stuff, but it's like I buy it, and then you make your review and stuff. But y'all, send me a little something, y'all. It's my birthday. can y'all reach out to me? Or, I'm going to go ahead and reach out to y'all. All right. Ask and you shall receive. So we will see what the universe provides, because we need to be provided for, and God is our source, so God will provide. All right. Psalms 23. I live by it. I say I really do live by Psalms 23. That's how, like, with life, like right now. Y'all know my nail tutorials. If y'all are subscribed, y'all know we are like more of a sit and talk down. That's why I think I'm going to change that Millionaire Dollhouse channel more to a podcast type of channel for the ladies, because I could really talk up a storm, especially when I'm by myself. Like when I'm with other people, I do have to fill out their energy. Like I'm not side-eyeing you, but I'm peeping you side-eyeing me. Like, I'm noticing that you're side-eyeing me, so I really have to be careful, like, the type of people that come around me, because I am such a genuine person, y'all. I think I'm too genuine sometimes, and being so genuine has pushed me back years. Like, when I tell you years, it has really pushed me back, but I'm, like, not... I don't want to get into it because I feel like I'm going to turn into those type of people that may need a therapist right now. And I feel like a therapist, they be needing a therapist too, because they're not perfect as well. And no one is perfect. So I don't want to get too much into it. But I feel like being too genuine and overextending your hand, sometimes it will bring trouble in your life. Well, I ain't going to say bring trouble in your life, but... Sometimes, yeah, it's okay to say no. Even with me, sometimes I be like asking people for stuff like that. It's okay to say no to me. Like, well, my people's and them, but not y'all, strangers stuff. Well, for the strangers, sponsors, yeah. But they want to give. But regardless, like I was saying, yeah, right now life be lifing, so I really have to just make sure I put in the work that is needed to be done, so I can definitely give back to those who looked out for me. Okay, so yeah, because life, you can't go around, saying that you're self-made all the time. Like, of course you have to give yourself self-love and be self-reliant, but God really do put people in your life that really help you and look out for you. So I don't ever go around saying that, oh, I'm so self-made, I've done everything on my own. No, I put in the work, but I have people that actually extended their hands to me. So I do have to make sure I give back and look out. But again, sometimes it's not, good to do it all the time, but making sure others are taken care of. But yeah, it did push me back a little, but it is what it is. God sees everything. He will restore the years that the locust has eaten. So I don't worry. But yeah. So yeah, with my nails. So with my nails right now, I am almost done. And this is actually a spider gel. So I am using the spider gel, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some charms. Oh, I do have some charms that are the horoscope charms. And so I had put Cancer and I put Virgo on there. Okay, confuse that enemy. No, I'm playing. But I just put the Virgo because, yeah, my brother's a Virgo too. My brother's a Virgo, and so I really do like Virgos and stuff, and so they're very disciplined and structured. And y'all, when I tell you my brother is like my muse, like I really respect my brother. So yeah, I love him. And so yeah, so I put Virgo and I put the Cancer on there, and then I put other charms on there as well, which is the bow. And then I had put some stones on there too. And of course I had put a cross. Yeah, I love wearing my cross chain. And I do have cross chains on the website as well, which is millionairedollhouse.com. So you guys can go ahead and shop. And I really would appreciate it if you guys will, go check it out. And you guys will see the series as well. I did add some videos of the series. And some videos of the tracker series. And then I also added the story behind the tracker series, which was birthed, from losing my job, whatever. Because It is what it is. But like I said, it is when when God closed one door, he opens another. And so I went to real estate school. I graduated real estate school by the grace of God. All right. And now I am waiting to take the exam. Can't believe I missed it. But it is what it is. I feel like God was saying, yo, you probably need to study more. It was crazy. I did not even get my score. So I don't even know what I scored when I had finished for school. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But I've been studying 2 hours every day, okay? Making sure I retain the information. And even when I look at a map, I don't want to tell y'all what's in the stuff. But even when I look at the map, like I use, the reference. I reference what I see. I don't want to get too much info because you can't really share. If you want to know, go to school. Go obtain some education. And it's so crazy because I want my law degree too. Yeah, I was not able to finish law school because I feel like my management, my managers in them was hating, like when I was working or whatever, because they knew I was paying out of pocket for law school. So I feel like they was hating, bruh. Like on the real tip, they probably was hating. But by the grace of God, I feel like all these talents, like I'm a Proverbs 31 woman. If you understand, you understand. If you don't, I don't know, go read your Bible. But I am a Proverbs 31 woman. And so I know when God opens certain doors, I'm on God's time, okay? I'm not on nobody else's time. I'm on God's time. So I'm letting him control the boats. For real. Because he's in control, not me. Like he is beaming down all the visions and all the ideas in my head. And I'm just executing it. I'm just putting it out. Like just have to execute it. And so I am grateful to see another year, y'all. I am 31, y'all. Okay, I'm getting up there. It's time for me to find a husband, some kids. No, and it's so crazy. My nieces was like, "You pushing 40, child. You need to get some kids." 40. That's but y'all. But these are the nails. I definitely do appreciate y'all for hanging out with me today. And wish me happy birthday in the comments, y'all. I definitely do appreciate it. But blessings, okay? And I really do hope you guys have a blessed year. I'm wishing you guys prosperity and love, peace, show others love. Be kind to one another. Later, y'all. Blessings.